Hi, so this is going to be a short video demonstration for my web application that uses semantic web. So my web application is a simple application that allows users to search for a book and find out more information about a specific book and or author. All the information on the website is sourced using semantic web technologies from a site called Dpedia, and this is the semantic web version of Wikipedia. So here is a diagram showing how the search is processed throughout my web application. So once the search is initiated, it checks whether it's in my local database. If it's not, then it sends a SPARQL query to Dpedia to gather more information. From the returned information, it's then added to the process and added to the database, and then displayed for the user. If the search is already in the database, it then checks whether it's up to date. If the data is too old, it's then removed from the database, and a SPARQL query is then sent to Dpedia again, and the returns of the results are added to the database, then displayed for the user. If the data is up to date, it's displayed for the user instantly. I designed my web application like this because it means it reduces the number of network calls, and it makes sure the user always has up-to-date information. So let's have a look at this working. So here is my web application. The background image I've used here is a simple representation of semantic web, because semantic web is all about linking data across the network. On the first load, it will show the most recent search results. For demonstration purposes, I've set the update time to 2 minutes, which means within 2 minutes the information will not be updated. So if I do a quick search of mice, you can see the information has just been updated. From here I can click on either the author or the book. So if I click on the author, I'll see the author's name, where he was born, the longitude or latitude of where he's born, and the number of books the author has written. From here, I can select any one of his books. So, for example, if I click on this one, I'll see the title of the book and who's it written by. I'll also see how many pages that book has, and an abstract from that book. And then books from the same author again. So if I click on Of Mice and Men, it'll be the same thing again. Number of pages, abstract, and the books from the same author. I can also see when the information was last updated. I can also do this on the author's page. So if I go back to the home page and search for Of Mice again, the information will not be updated. I can search again, it still will not be updated. And this is because it's still within the 2-minute mark. So once it's gone past this 2-minute mark, the information will then be updated. So if I search for red, you can see it pulls down all results for red. And there's 460 with red in it. So now, for example, if I search Of Mice, the information will then be updated. Okay, it's all within the 2-minute mark. If I search again, there you go, the information has now been updated. Thank you for watching my short video demonstration of my website.